YouTube, hope you're well and blessed. Listen, I want to share with you an experience. I'm proud of myself today. I'm 8 years clean, sober. Okay? 8 years sober, and also from all other drugs, marijuana or Mary Jane, whatever you call it, but mostly from alcohol. So I want to make this video as a kind of expression of thankfulness that I am clean today for 8 years. And I also want to help those that also are on the path of wanting to stop. So let me give you a bit of a background why I came to this. We all are different, right? So I don't have a problem with people drinking. Don't get me wrong. I'm not trying to tell people that drinking is bad for you. But what I'm trying to say is that if you know that alcohol is a problem for you, if you know that you can excel more in life or prosper more in life if you stop drinking alcohol, then I'm speaking to you, because I was that person. I knew that alcohol was something that held me back from reaching my full potential. Now, when it all started for me was when I knew at the back of my mind that this has to stop, Whenever I was drinking, and I was drinking myself, because I have an addictive personality. Okay, I have addictive personality. Anything that I do, or and I love doing it, I do it over. So I had no control with this substance. I remember one day, it was on a Friday. Normally I would buy my alcohol on a Friday for the weekend, right? And then this Friday I told myself, look, I'm done. Okay. So Friday came, whole day I was motivated. Now I'm gonna go. And then the car started driving. As I was driving home, the car was driving on itself. It drove straight to the bottle, so I had no control. I just saw my hand reaching out to the bottle, and I looked at myself. I'm like, what's happening? No self-control. I was like, this shit is bad. And then I bought the bottle, whatever, but I knew that this was a wake-up call for me, and I knew I couldn't do it on my own self. You see, I couldn't do it on myself. And then I thought about it. I said, look, okay, something told me try AA. So I went to AA, and I went to the programs. I went through it, but only for 3 months. Because after the 3 months, I kind of knew. I just knew I had to see. That's why I tell people you have to see what it does to you. You have to see the damage it does to you, because physically it destroys you. Emotionally, it destroys you, with your family, with your kids. Now, some people can't drink. Like I said, my wife have a drink now and then. She's not a drinker. Like I said, you can have a drink, but if you like me, you have to put it down, because it becomes self-destructive. And I believe that I would have had a lot of illnesses today. Someone told me something. They told me that I told this guy one day, I stopped drinking. You know what he told me? He told me that, you know what? You just added now a few years to your life. And, I thought about it, and I knew I always had stomach issues, and all these type of things, and I knew that what he's saying is true, because, if I'm not in perfect health today, but I can tell you, I would have been worse off if I had to continue. I look at all my friends today that still continue on this path. Their life is not wonderful. They're struggling with a lot of things. Not that I don't struggle, but I'm more present. I can hands-on deal with my problems. But I can tell you, if you change your life, things will change. If you stop the drinking, you will see, yes, your friends, you will lose your friend circle. Even family members, you will lose. Because once you change doing that, it's almost like a betrayal to them, because now they can't socialize with you, they can't deal with you, because you know more on that wavelength, on that mindset. And once you change, your life becomes better. I won't I won't lie to you. I start getting a better house, a better job. I started getting healthier habits. I stopped doing all the other self-harming things. I'm more focused. I'm more present. There is benefits to it. Yes, it may seem sometimes that it's not really helping you. You don't know why you did it, blah, blah, blah. But if you persevere, if you continue, you will realize that that demon, that alcohol demon, that drug demon, that dependency will always try to get you. But as long as you persevere, as long as you keep that going, and then you'll realize that now you are home free. I feel today I am free. I am free from that nagging voice in my head that's always telling me, have a beer. You need it. You need to relax. It's for you. Life is short. You have to drink. No. You don't need anything. You are complete already. You have everything you have already. You don't need any external substance to make you feel a certain way, to alter your mind, to change your brain chemistry. You don't need those things to hinder you, because what you have, you already are complete. But you see, we were deceived by the world outside there to make us believe that we need a substance, something external to make us feel okay. But we're actually running away from ourselves. We're actually avoiding ourselves. We're not dealing with life's challenges. We rather drink it away. We rather, and once you realize that you are on this journey, you're on this path, you're on this life, not to waste your life like many has before us, but you're here to have your full human experience, to enjoy your life without any substance, because you are the life itself. Okay? So I thought I wanted to share this with you, and I hope that whoever's on this journey, that they listen to what I say and take it to heart and say, look, but I deserve a chance. It's like you're giving yourself a new chance to life. You're giving yourself another reborn, a rebirth. And many don't get that chance. Many don't get a second chance to life. And this is a second chance, whether you like it or not. Yes, you will be faced with a lot of challenges, but I can tell you, it will be worthwhile. So if you want me to make more videos of this, I can add more stuff on here, motivate one another, to live a sober life, to live a present, conscious life without the distractions of this world. And I thank you for the follow. Hit the follow also if you don't mind. And thank you for the listening. If you listen up till now, then clearly I said something positive, because we're living in the social media life that is so distracting. But anyway, thank you for listening. Stay blessed.